Behold the liquid gold. A fleeting crown atop every perfect espresso. This is the crema. More than just foam, crema is the soul of espresso, a testament to precision and craft. But what truly creates this ephemeral layer? It begins with immense pressure. Precisely 9 bars, the journey starts with meticulously ground coffee. Each particle a tiny vessel of flavor. Hot water under high pressure permeates these grounds, unlocking their aromatic compounds. Beyond the artistry, a complex science unfolds, transforming simple beans into this rich elixir. Pressure is paramount. It forces water through the dense coffee bed. Extracting soluble solids, this intense pressure also emulsifies the coffee's natural oils, suspending them within the brew. Freshly roasted coffee contains carbon dioxide. The high pressure traps these gases. As the espresso exits the portafilter, the sudden drop in pressure causes the dissolved CO2 to expand. These expanding gas bubbles, along with the emulsified oils, form the delicate structure of the crema. A cross-section animation reveals the intricate dance. Within the coffee puck during extraction, the consistency of the grind, the tamping pressure, and water temperature all play critical roles. A perfect crema indicates a well-executed extraction, a balance of science and sensory delight. The color, thickness, and persistence of crema are key indicators of espresso quality. A rich, reddish-brown hue with fine, tight bubbles signifies optimal extraction. To light, and the coffee may be under-extracted. Too dark, it might be over-extracted. The crema also acts as a natural lid, trapping volatile aromatics and preserving the espresso's warmth. It contributes to the mouthfeel, adding a velvety texture that enhances the overall drinking experience. The barista's skill is crucial, from grinding the beans to tamping the puck with consistent force. Every step influences the extraction and ultimately the quality of the crema. The espresso machine itself, a marvel of engineering, provides the necessary pressure and temperature stability. It's a delicate balance where science meets art, creating a symphony of flavors and textures. The pursuit of the perfect crema is a journey of continuous learning and refinement. Each shot pulled is an experiment, a quest for that elusive, golden perfection. The aroma, the visual appeal, the taste, all are elevated by the presence of a beautiful crema. It's the first impression, the visual promise of the rich experience to come, from the humble bean to the complex brew. Every element contributes to this fleeting masterpiece. The engineering of the espresso crema is a testament to human ingenuity and passion for coffee. It's a reminder that even in the smallest details, there's profound beauty and scientific wonder. So next time you savor an espresso, take a moment to appreciate its golden crown. It's not just a drink. It's a meticulously crafted experience, a liquid masterpiece. Precision in every drop,